Hi there guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks very much for joining us again today. I've got a very short video for you today that'll show you how to set up a domain name for Mailchimp. Just before I get into it, if you've not tried Mailchimp before, or if you need a free trial version of it for any reason, there's a link to do so in the description for this video down below. So if you give that link a click, you'll get your own free trial version of the software. So it's quite a short process, this one, very easy. You can see that from the dashboard, under the website drop-down menu option, you've got domains there. So if you click that, you've got a couple of options here now, depending on what exactly you need to do when setting up the domain. If you want to purchase a domain, you can do so with Mailchimp. But bear in mind, you've got to subscribe to the monthly plan for access to any of these functions. Okay, so for the free kind of package, it does not come with that functionality. Okay, so you'll have to upgrade. So you can search for a new domain, type one in there and purchase one through Mailchimp itself. If you already own a custom domain and you've bought one elsewhere, then you can connect it through this little tool that they've got here. So I'll just enter my site just for a second, just to take you through. And then what you've got then is the ability to copy the CNAME record and the A record. Now, depending on what domain name provider that you've got your domain name purchased with, it is going to vary how you add those records, but it will always be under the DNS settings. So log into your domain name provider, access the DNS settings, the DNS records, and then you'll need to copy and paste these two records in and replace the CNAME and the A record in your domain name provider's site. Once you've done that, hit connect, and that is the process completed. Okay, so that's how you connect a domain you've purchased elsewhere. If you want to purchase one through Mailchimp, it's at the top there. Search for a new domain. But remember, you've got to subscribe. Just before I finish the video, I want to mention that I've left a link in the description below for a software that can rank your website instantly by using videos. So this might be very interesting to the viewer who's looking for more traffic and sales to their website. So make sure to check it out if that's something that you need. Thanks very much for joining us again today. If you've got any questions or suggestions for future videos, then leave them as comments down below. And if you've enjoyed the video and you want to see more content of this nature, give us a like and subscribe to the channel as well. Thank you very much.